The kanji that we learn today, we will learn about the kanji of country. This means when you see this kanji is had the meaning of the country, and when you talk anything about the country or relate to the country, in Japanese they will write this kanji to represent, to explain the meaning too. And this kanji had the onyomi reading and the kunyomi reading, as you see here. The onyomi reading is read like koku, koku, and the kunyomi reading read kuni, kuni, koku, and kuni. So every time when you see about this kanji, you should remember that it we read about the country. So let's see how do they use this kanji. Koku o, koku o, koku o is mean king. As in here, koku is mean the country, and o is mean the king. So o is mean the owner. So owner of the country is mean the king. Kankoku, Kankoku, Kankoku is mean South Korea. Kang is mean the kanji of the South Korea, and koku is mean the country. So when you write Kankoku, is mean that the country of South Korea. Chugoku, Chugoku, Chugoku is mean China. The kanji of Chu is mean China, and koku is mean country. So in this case, it mean China, China country. Beikoku, Beikoku. Beikoku is mean America or United States of America. And the kanji of Bei, Bei is mean the kanji of America or USA. And we put koku, is mean the country, that means the country of the America or the country of the USA. Gaikoku, Gaikoku. Gaikoku is mean foreign country. In here you see that we have the kanji gai and the kanji koku. The kanji of gai is mean out of the country. So when we put the kanji of out of the country with the country, that mean for a country, it mean another country, it's not your country. If you are Japanese, that mean another country such as China, Taiwan, Thailand, or USA, something like this. Kokusai, Kokusai, Kokusai is mean international. The country of Sai is mean international. So we put Kokusai is mean many countries together. So we call international or Kokusai. Kokuseki, Kokuseki. Kokuseki is mean nationality. If you are Japanese, that mean you kokuseki wa nihon desu. Something this. For example, あなたの国籍は何ですか? It means that what is your nationality? 国立、国立、国立 is mean national. 国立 is mean national, and this word you will see actually like 国立大学. 国立大学 is mean the national university. Kokugo. Kokugo. Kokugo is mean national language. If you are Japanese, if your country is Japan, that's your language, your national language is Japanese language. If your country is China, that means your national language is Chinese. So in Japanese, you can say Kokugo. In here, the Kokugo kanji, go is mean language, and Koku is mean country. So when you put these two kanji together, it mean national language or the language of a country. That mean national language. Bokoku. Bokoku. Bokoku is mean one's homeland. That means when you see that we have the kanji of bokoku. The kanji of bo is from the kanji of haha. Haha is mean mother. Koku is mean country. So mother country is mean the country you were born in, and your country's descent. So bokoku is mean your homeland country. So in Japanese, you put these two kanji together is mean your homeland country. So bokoku. Zenkoku. Zenkoku is mean country wide or national wide or whole country or national. As you see here, we have the kanji of zen and koku. Koku is mean country. Zen is mean whole, the whole or all. So when put the kanji of Zenkoku is mean all country or the whole country. Gaikokujin. Gaikokujin. Gaikokujin is mean foreigner or foreign citizen. At the moment, we already learned that Gaikoku is mean another country, right? So when we put another country with the kanji of jin, jin is mean people or person. So it mean when we put another country with a person, that mean another country people. So we call foreigner. If you are Japanese people, that means you see French, right? French come to Japan, and that we call foreigner or gaikokujin in Japanese. Gaikokugo. Gaikokugo. Gaikokugo is mean foreign language. If you put after kokugo with the kanji of person, that means foreigner. But if you put after the gaikoku with the go is mean language, is mean foreign language or another country language or another people language that is not your language, that we call gaikokugo. Kuni. Kuni is mean country, state, region, national government. If you say about your country, you say watashi no kuni. You say about another person country, say anata no kuni wa doko desu ka? Where is your country? And that's all about the kanji of kuni. So I hope that you learn about the word or the compound words about the kanji. And if you have any question, please comment below. I will be happy to answer your question. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please help me subscribe my channel. Thank you. ありがとうございました。